Welcome to my channel. Today I will share a traditional Bengali recipe called Ilish Tel or Hilsa Oil. Hilsa is a fish that Bengalis love. It is very soft and smells nice. We love to fry the intestines and other things in the stomach of the fish. It may sound and look yak for the non-fish eaters or the people who have not eaten hilsa. Trust me, the oil and fried intestines and other things in the stomach taste very nice with hot steamed rice. It is believed that fish oil is good for the health. We have it whenever we make hilsa, especially during the monsoon, the hilsa season. It can be given to guests as well. Please watch till the end as I give many tips or recommendations, explanations and alternatives. Cut a fish and take out the intestine, eggs and other things in the stomach. Make sure the green balloon is not bursted, otherwise it will make the fish a bit bitter. This balloon contains the enzymes of the fish, I'm told by some people. Remove the green balloon. I will wash the stomach thoroughly, then I will be back with you. This is how they look. Heat mustard oil 8 tablespoons till it fumes. Must. Otherwise, the oil will smell like raw mustard oil. In the meantime, add turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon and salt 1/4 teaspoon. Mix well. Drop the hilsa stomach and intestine into the hot oil. Fry in low to medium heat so that the fish stomach and intestine cooks from inside and outside and doesn't get burned. Fry till golden brown on all sides. It generally takes 3 to 5 minutes. Stir it from time to time. Flip sides. The stomach and intestine are now golden brown. Add green chilli, 3, slit in the middle. I sometimes fry some chopped onion to give a different taste. Fry in the oil for 2 minutes in low to medium heat. I have added the chillies at last because if the green chillies are fried for a long time, then the oil becomes very hot or spicy. This is how hilsa oil looks like. Taste it, add whatever is required as per taste. Transfer the hilsa oil to a bowl so that the hilsa oil and intestines do not get burned. I will serve it hot with hot steamed rice. It serves about 2 to 3 people. Please subscribe to get all my tasty recipes and click the bell icon to get notification when I post a new video.